At AES, we're accelerating the future of energy together with our customers, our partners, our stakeholders, pretty much everyone with whom we work. There's a sense of urgency around renewable energy, whether it's in the form of electric vehicles, the data centers, which are helping us power our increasingly digital society, the reindustrialization of our country. All of these things are creating a moment in time in which we can't build energy fast enough for the demand of our end customers.
Utilities are undergoing an unprecedented amount of change right now, and they are looking for partners to help them make sense of it all. As we incorporate all kinds of new technologies as well as distributed energy resources, everything that utilities have been using to operate the grid for the last several decades is going to need to change.
As a strategic clean energy innovator, we are looking for ways to make sure that renewable energies are getting onto the grid as fast as possible to serve our customers, both utility customers and clean energy customers, with the green, reliable, safe energy that the world needs. We are excited to be working with LineVision to demonstrate with 42 sensors, the largest single deployment in the US to date, of the dynamic line rating solution.
Dynamic line rating is very beneficial to our customers. What it does is it allows us as a utility to optimize the value that we're extracting from our existing assets, which makes us better stewards of our customers' money. And so we've been involved at the very start, identifying problems and then looking at potential solutions, and LineVision is the solution that we've selected.
LineVision's LUX sensor is the only dynamic line rating sensor that is non-contact, which means that nothing touches the transmission line and everything is mounted on the tower. For customers like AES, for whom safety is a core value, they really appreciate this because no one has to come into contact with an energized line and put anyone at risk.
I've really enjoyed working with LineVision. They are flexible, forward-leaning, and they have a passion for seeing the grid be used well. I'm just really excited for the data itself. One of our key objectives here is to get smarter about our grid. And so this project will be a win if we just understand our grid better.
AES's mission is to accelerate the future of energy together. LineVision helps us accomplish this mission by providing a mechanism by which we can rapidly accelerate and deploy renewables on existing transmission grids.
That is really the power of our electrical system, and to be able to start having insights as early as next year into these opportunities, that's why we're doing work like this with LineVision.